Hi, if you're building apps with LLMs, you can now let the LLM easily use its own virtual computer with E2B Desktop Sandbox. This is a new launched virtual environment that is specifically made for LLMs to use their own isolated virtual computer the same way as humans do. They can be very autonomous, they can write files, create files, they can navigate to browser, they can do pretty much anything. How you get started? You just go to E2B GitHub, it's completely open source, and you just need E2B API key, and then you install E2B SDK. You can choose from either Python or JavaScript version, and then you create your own E2B desktop sandbox. Here is an example app to see the computer use in action. It's in the separate GitHub repository, and it's using Claude by Anthropic connected to the E2B desktop sandbox. Here the LLM is reading screenshots, but you can also enable video streaming of the desktop screen if you pass a video stream as true in your code. And there are supported features like mouse control, keyboard control, it can run bash commands. So learn more in the desktop sandbox GitHub. So again, if you want to start building with computer use, just go to E2B GitHub and find the desktop repository, and you will find all the code snippets there to start with. You can choose from Python or JavaScript SDK. In general, the E2B sandbox is isolated environment in the cloud made specifically for AI apps. It can have different use cases. It's often used for running AI-generated code, but in this case, it's customized for graphical environment for the computer use. In general, you can customize the sandbox and pre-install any dependencies, any packages that you want. So it's really for a variety of different use cases, and you can also learn more about E2B Sandbox on e2b.dev and explore more use cases. Let me know if you have any questions. Follow E2B on Twitter, on LinkedIn, or visit our Discord if you need any support with what you are building.